cookies.
Please, berries.
We don't want it for you, man.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh,
I'm gonna eat you.
I can see.
I'm gonna eat you. I killed him.
Oh, that's not just a skeletal system. No, skeletal system. Don't.
I'm a ducky. I'm a ducky. Ducky wookie. You have a backup sock?
Nope.
It's naked.
Okay.
It's naked, people. It's naked.
It's a backup sock. I can't see. Oh, we have lipstick issues. You're hurting my hair. You don't have hair.
Well, I'm trying to grow it out. No. Grr.
Oh, Dad.
It's doing. Help me.
Backup sock, dude. The other hand pops out.
Okay. Ooh, we should go swimming in the toilet. I'm naked.
Very naked. Her ducky ate my dinosaur, my very angry dinosaur. The ultimate winner. That has lipstick on his head.
Thanks to me.